Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your HP 255. First of all, make sure that your laptop is fully turned off. Then turn it on by short pressing the power button and repeatedly click F9 key to let your device boot into one-time boot menu. Here you can use up and down arrow keys to navigate, so you can select your external USB flash drive if you have one connected to your device, and if you want to exit from here, just press Escape. If you want to enter BIOS menu, press F10. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.